my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Yes, guys, we're back with not one, but two mouldy cars to clean. They're getting the full deep clean, and trust me, it's going to be a hell of a transformation.